It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to transcribe your video or audio into text for free, fast and easy tutorial. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to transcribe your video or audio into text or for free. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. Then you have to come to your address bar right here from the top here, and then what you need to do is to make sure you type in riverside.fm and press enter. Okay, now you'll be taken to this particular web page. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you just scroll down to the last bottom of the site. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to transcriptions. Click on transcriptions. So here you go, audio and video transcription powered by AI. Next thing you want to do is to click on transcribe now. Then click on upload a file. So your file format needs to be either MP3, WAV, MP4 or MOV file, just like what you see right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to look for my MP4 video file. So I'm going to transcribe this particular video. Then I will click on open. Then it's going to take you to this particular page. Then before we start, you have to make sure you choose the language of your choice. Then you have to click on here. You can choose the language you want to transcribe to. So in this particular video here, I'm going to transcribe into Estonia. Then you have to make sure you click on I'm a human. Then click on start transcribing. So now the file is ready and successfully transcribed. So you can see the text result beside on the screen right here. So you can simply scroll down and see everything. So this depends on the length of the video you upload, and it's going to give you transcribe based on the timestamp. Okay, now you can download this file in different formats. You can simply click on copy to clipboard. This allows you to copy the text, or better still, come to download file right here. Click on download file. Then you can download the file as a transcript, which is text in MS Word file or Notepad file, or you can download it as a caption SRT file. So I'm going to click on SRT file so we can use the file for video translation. So in a few minutes the file is going to be prepared, just like what you see right here, and we have our SRT file successfully download right here. Then we can simply go back and click on download again. Then we click on transcript. So click on transcript. Then in a few minutes the file is going to be prepared also, just like what you see right here. This is the text format, and we have SRT format, we have text format. So this is how to transcribe your video or audio file for free using this particular website. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.